Today is an exciting day. You see this big ass box? Yeah, this came in. And there's two. But I already opened the other one because I got too excited. And now I'm going to show you what's in it. I picked up some Sparco Sprints, the new 2019 models. So they're a little different from the previous years, and I'll show you once we get all this unwrapped. And I'll try not to cut the seat. So basically this seat came exactly like this in the box I just saw. Just pretty much wrapped in bubble wrap. Hopefully nothing's messed up. It shouldn't be. The box wasn't thrashed or anything. I think this newer style is really going to match my car a little more. And I have the other version, I think it is the 2014 version. I'm not sure, the last one that they had. And I can show you the little updated differences between the two. I really like how they added the more textured bolsters and where your butt sits. That way it wears less quicker than, you know, just regular cloth like the old one was. So I really do like it. I like the Sprints a lot in general because they just fit me pretty good. And you have a little bit more room than like the Sparco Rev or something like that. These are, like Tyler can fit in this nicely as well as me and other people. So, because there are going to be different people who drive my car as well, or sit in the passenger seat. So now Tyler has a racing seat for him, so he feels a little bit more secure because the NB seat we have in there now is just not great for racing harnesses, like not at all. So this one is the new seat that we just got, and this is the older model seat. They both feel the way the same. I'm sure it's the same tubular frame. I think they just changed the seat cover, but they also changed this part here. Instead of having it just stitched on, just say Sprint. I actually kind of like this style. And they added this texturing on the shoulders and on the bottom. And they got rid of the white stitching, which I like the sleeker look. Tyler actually liked the white stitching better, but it's, you know, not his car, so.
So my opinion doesn't matter.
I'm just kidding, but.
No, she's not.
They came out with this one, and we had been wanting to get another seat, and we just kind of decided to just buy two new ones instead of trying to get one to match this. Other than that, I mean, those are like the two main differences. Adding this, no stitching, and then, well, there's three, and then they changed the style here. But other than that, they're pretty much exactly the same. The fabric seems to be exactly the same. I'm super excited to get these in the car. I hope you guys are too. It's gonna look so much better, and it's gonna feel so much better as well for the for the passenger, to feel more safe. These are the Garagestar rails that I'll be using. I got them for a pretty good deal. They were used. Eventually I will powder coat these black. As most of you know, I really like black. But I do need to bang out the tunnel side of the driver's side to get my seat to fit more center. Alright, so before we put the seats in, I actually ended up picking up an ISR test pipe instead of the resonator. And we're about to see how loud this is. We got the clutch in and everything. And we got the dash sort of back together. I'll tell you about the issue we're having with this DDM Motorworks gauge pod, and then There's the seat. Looks good, a little teaser, but I haven't mounted it yet. But Tyler's gonna start the car and we're gonna see cold start, how it sounds. What's it at? So oil pressure gauge is reading like 76. I also added a voltmeter to the cigarette lighter.
God, that looks so good in there.
Which is nice.
I'm gonna test your lights real quick.
And here's the new lights. Everything sounds okay. I'm not sure what the oil pressure is supposed to be reading, but it looks like it's steadily going down. I'll have to look that up. Now we just have to put the racing seats in and then we can take this thing for a drive. Alright, so I got the seats in and it looks so good. Tyler feels safer now that he has an actual racing seat. Got this
thrown in there.
Got the steering wheel on. The issue I'm having with this DDM Motorsports gauge pod holder, first of all, it doesn't fit 3 AEM gauges outside of it, so I had to improvise and put one in the back and make a bracket to hold all of them together. But also, I think the tombstone over all these years shrunk, so it literally won't sit around it. I'm gonna have to figure that out, but for now I literally just have it sitting on it. Tyler just adjusted the headlights, the new ones that we put on, and we just have to calibrate the speedo and tack system that we have just sitting over here for now. Tyler's gonna do that while we drive, and hopefully we can get it working, and the mosquitoes are everywhere.
Thanks, Florida.
So I think we're gonna go for a small test drive. I can't do anything crazy because I have to break in my clutch at least 500 miles. So yeah, let's see how this thing sounds. I might not film, and if I do, it's gonna be very dark, so. Tyler's gonna adjust my lights down because they're a little too high, but they're pretty good for LEDs. I took my halos out. My oil pressure has gone down, so that's good. It was really high. I think it had to get pressure through the thing. I've got a knocking going on over here on the passenger side. My voltmeter seems to be going steady, so that's good. Speedo is working, but it needs to be adjusted and calibrated. The tack I haven't messed with again. Coolant's still working fine. Boost and AFRs seem fine. So, this thing sounds great. Alright, so we're gonna get back to just testing everything and then I'll let you know how it goes. Alright! Sorry we couldn't film, it was like pitch black out and no lights. But the seats work great, they're comfortable. I mean, they're the same ones I had before. Tyler loved his. Everything seems to be running okay. The speedo is working, like I said, but we still need to calibrate it. We just couldn't see, so we're gonna do that tomorrow evening. We put 12 miles on the clutch break-in. Got 488 to go. I know, small feats, 1 mile at a time, but super stoked on having the car back. I've missed it so much. Very excited that I can slowly start putting things back on and everything. I am going to be at Miata's at the Gap this year. Hopefully nothing crazy happens to the car, but if it does before then, we're going to try our best to fix it and get there. No matter what, we still might go, even if I have the car or not, but the goal is to take the SR Miata on the tail of the Dragon, which neither Tyler or I have been on before, so should be super fun. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. We should definitely have more videos on this car up soon. Sorry it's taken us forever to get it back up and going. It's just, you know, like any project, you gotta have money and everything. So it's been crazy. But it's back, and that's all that matters. So I'll see you guys later.